Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 13 July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3. Name of the chapter, plants. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, I started question number A, that is MCQ question. Tick the correct option, and first 3 question we have completed. First 3 question. Now today we will start from the 4th question. Pick the correct answer. First 3 question we have already completed. If you want to see the answers of that question, you can check in the previous video. Okay, so today there is only one question left in part A, that is the female part of the plant is the female part of the plant is dash. Option number A, anther. Option B, stamen. Option C, carpel. And option D, sepal. So student, the female part of the plant, which is the female part of the plant that is present in the flower. Okay, anther is not a right answer because it is a part of a male reproductive. Okay, it is a part of a stamen, male reproductive part, and pollens are present inside the anther. Okay, so this is not a right answer. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower, so this is also not a right answer. Carpel, yes, carpel is the right answer. Carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower and it is divided into 3 parts, that is stigma, style and ovary. And sepal is not a right answer because when flower is in the form of a bird, जब फ्लावर बर्ड के फॉर्म में होता है, कलियों के फॉर्म में होता है, तो जिस कवरिंग में वो फ्लावर्स बर्ड्स के अंदर क्या होते हैं, पेटल्स, और उसकी जो आउटर कवरिंग है जो बर्ड्स वाली, वही सेपल होती है. ठीक है, वेन जब फ्लावर की पेटल्स की ग्रोथ होने लगती है, देन फ्लावर स्टार्ट ओपनिंग एंड एट दैट टाइम दीज सेपल्स कर्ल बैक साइड. Okay, so carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower. Clear? Now we will start with question number B. Okay, question number B is true or false. Question number B is true or false. So first question, cotyledons store food for the embryo. So student, when I explained you structure of seed, I explained you that outer covering is known as seed coat, that hard covering which protect the embryo, or you can say the baby plant, that is known as a seed coat. And when the seed coat breaks and baby plants start coming out, at that time the first part which come out, that is the root, and root is not in the touch of the soil. So at that time the food for the baby plant is cotyledons. Okay, so this is the right answer, true. Second question, the green pigment, the green pigment, the green pigment in leaves is called chlorine. So beta, the green pigment which is present in the leaf, that is not chlorine, that is known as chlorophyll. CHOLOROPHYLL. So this is the pigment which absorb the light of the sun. This is the pigment which absorb the light of the sun. So the green pigment present in the leaf is called chlorine, is a false, is a false statement. Now let's move to question number 3. Third question is, seeds of lily are dispersed by explosion. Okay, third question, seeds of lily are dispersed by explosion. So student, this is a seeds of lily are dispersed by explosion. Dispersed means how they spread. Is it clear? Dispersed means how they spread, how they move away from their main plant. So seeds of lily are dispersed by explosion, that is a false answer. Okay, so these the seeds of the lily plant, it is a flowering plant, and its seeds are dispersed or spread by the water. Is it clear? It is spread by the water, that is the reason it is the false answer. And now what is the fourth question? Plants store food in roots. Fourth is, so fourth question is, plants store food in roots. So yes, this is the right answer. Okay, this statement is true. Plant can also store food in the roots also, plant can store food in the stem also, plant can store food in the leaves also. So this is the right answer, plant store food in roots. And these types of roots are known as special roots. Not all the plants store food in the root, but there are some special roots which can store food in the root, like carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. That's are the example of this. Fifth is the fibrous root, fibrous root fibrous root has many small lateral roots. So yes, this is a true. ओके, फाइब्रस रूट जब मैंने आप लोग को पढ़ाया था, जब मैंने आप लोग को बताया था प्लांट्स लाइक ओनियन ग्रास एक्स्ट्रा है फाइब्रस रूट. ओके, द स्मॉल लेटर रूट्स आर एबल टू क्लिंग टू द सॉइल. उसमें से स्मॉल लेटर रूट्स होते हैं जो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखते हैं. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन इज फाइब्रस रूट हैज मेनी स्मॉल लेटरल रूट्स. सो यस, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. Now we will start question number C. Match the following. So question number C, match the following. First one is the tap root. Second, fibrous root. Third, dispersed by wind. Fourth is creeper, which spread on the ground. Fifth is herb, plants with a very short height. Tap roots, fibrous root, dispersed by wind means how the seeds are spread. ठीक है, dispersed means spread. Creepers, plants with the very weak stems and they spread on the ground. That is the reason their name is creeper. Herb, this is the shortest plant. जितने भी प्लांट्स के 5 ग्रुप पढ़ाए थे उनमें सबसे शॉर्ट हाइट के प्लांट्स होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ हियर आई राइट इट. pumpkin, B option cotton plant, C option is the mint, option D carrot plant, option E onion plant. So C student, tap root. So tap root is found in which type of a plant? Pumpkin, cotton, mint, onion plant? No. Tap root is the main root and from which many branches of roots comes out. So tap root is found in option number D, that is carrot plant. Okay, you can see this root in carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot. They are all having a tap roots. Now second option is fibrous root. Fibrous root, from the base of the stem, roots of same size arises and they spread in all the direction. That is the fibrous root. So fibrous root is found in pumpkin? No. Cotton plant? No. Mint? No. So onion plant. Fibrous root is present in the onion plant. Is it clear? Fibrous root is present in the onion plant. Now dispersed by wind. So out of these, all the plants names are given. You have to all the, and you have to tell which, in which the seed is dispersed by wind. So in pumpkin the seed is dispersed by wind. No, it is a very heavy fruit. Okay, so its seeds are not dispersed by wind. Mint is not carrot plant. It is stored in the root. Onion plant, it is also not dispersed by wind. So the right answer is dispersed by wind is cotton, because I already explained you the seeds which are dispersed by wind, they are very small in size, and the seeds have hair like structure of wings, by which at the time the wind blow, they move to a far distance from the main plant. Creeper. So mint and pumpkin is left. So which is the creeper? Pumpkin is the creeper. Reason, the fruit is very heavy in weight. That is the reason the stem is big and fruit is very heavy. That is the reason it creep on the ground. It means it is spread on the ground. And herb mint is the herb. पुदीना जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है, mint is the herb. So you can, or for their, and I write the answer in this manner also. Option number 1 answer is D. Option number 2 fibrous root, answer is E. Okay. Option number 3 dispersed by wind, answer is B, cotton. Then fourth one, option number 4 creeper, answer is pumpkin. So A is the right answer. Then fifth one, herb is the mint, so option is C. So don't confuse. If you are unable to understand with the help of a arrow, then I have written the answer in this form also. 1D, 2E, 3B, 4A and 5C. Take a screenshot. Now student, we will start the question answer of this chapter, that is question number D. Question number D, short answer questions. Short answer questions. Okay, now see, start question number 1. Why are leaves called it the, why are leaves called it the food factory of the plant? See, why are leaves called the food factory of the plant? So it is asked in a short answer. So directly the answer is because leaf is that part of the plant which prepare food for the plant. Is it clear? Because in the leaves, stomata is also present, where exchange of gases take place at the time of preparation of the food. Carbon dioxide is taken by the plant leaf, and at the same time oxygen is released, and chlorophyll is also present, which absorb the sunlight, and water is observed, water and minerals absorbed by the root, and then they pass to the stem, and from the stem it reach to the leaves, and in this manner leaves prepare their own food, and this whole process is known as a photosynthesis. So why leaves are called the food factory of the plant? Because they can prepare their own food. That is the reason leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Leaves are called the food factory of a plant because they produce, word produce, or I write it prepare, because they prepared, their own food. Okay, leaves are called the food factory of a plant because they prepared their own food. You can note down or you can take a screenshot. Screenshot is the best option to note down the things from the board. Okay, now what is the next question? Explain briefly the function of roots. How many types of roots are there in a plant? So see, in a book you have briefly matlab only out of 4 5 functions you have studied in the book. Out of that only 2 or 3 functions you will write, and you have to tell what are the name of 2 types of root, that is a tap root and the fibrous root. Okay, and what are the function of roots? Roots attach the plant to the ground. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. ठीक है, root hold the soil, and some of the roots also store some extra food in them like carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. These are the examples. So note down the answer. First we will write the question. Briefly means in short you have to write the answer, not in very detail. Okay, so explain briefly. Question number 2. Explain briefly. Explain briefly the functions of roots. How many types of root are there in a plant? How many types of roots are there in a plant? So already I have explained the answer to you. Now note down the answer. Functions of root. Function of roots. First function is absorb water and minerals from the soil. Absorb water and minerals, because minerals are present in the soil, and minerals from the soil. Second, hold the soil together, because root of the plant they bind or hold the soil together. So holds the soil together. Next, in some plants roots store food. Example, carrot, radish, etc. Okay, and two types of fruit mainly. There are two types of roots. First is taproot, and second one is the fibrous. Okay, so this is a complete answer, student. Briefly, the function of root are absorb water and mineral from the soil, hold the soil. Some root also store some extra food in them. An example of such roots are known as carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. Next, it is asked in the question, how many types of roots are there in a plant? So student, there are two types of roots which are present in a plant, that is a taproot and a fibrous root. Note down the answer or you can take a screenshot. Now, next question. From question number 3, from where does the seed get its food when it is in the embryo stage? Okay, so student, from where the seed get the food when it is in embryo stage? So I have already explained you the structure of a seed. In that I explained you that the outer covering of the seed, that is known as a seed coat. Okay, that is known as a seed coat. Or when the seed coat breaks and new baby plant come out, then at that time the baby plant need food for the growth. So the part from which the baby plant get the food, that is known cotyledons, and this food is stored inside the seed. Is it clear? This food is stored inside the seed, and the first part of the plant which come out, that is the root, and after that the shoot system develops. Is it clear? So basically seeds are divided into three parts. First is an embryo, means the baby plant. Embryo means the baby plant. Second, a food storage, and third is the seed covering or seed coat. Is it clear? Embryo होता है seed के अंदर. Is it clear? और a food storage होती है, and another is the outer covering of the seed, that is known as seed coat. So in the embryo, seed gets its food from the food storage part of the seed. ठीक है, जो सीड में वो पार्ट जिसमें फूड स्टोर्ड होता है, फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट इट टेक द फूड. सो क्वेश्चन 3, from where does the seed get its food when it is in the embryo stage. So this is the question. So note down the answer. Basically, seeds are divided into three parts. A, an embryo. Embryo is the baby plant. Second, a food storage. Third one is seed covering. Or you can say seed coat also. So in the embryo, seed gets its food from the this part, that is a food storage. From the food storage part of the seed. Basically, seed is divided into three parts: an embryo, second part is known as food storage, and third is seed covering, or you can say seed coat. So in the embryo, seed gets its food from the food storage, from this part, second part, a food storage part of the seed. Okay, thank you student.